Welcome to the installation guide for the Arnott new rear shock for the Lexus GX 470 J120 and the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado J120. This video will walk you through the steps to ensure a smooth and safe installation process for your vehicle's suspension system. Let's get started. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by removing the rear wheel. Then deflate the rear air spring by disconnecting the air lines from the valve block located behind the rear left wheel. Now disconnect the electrical connector. Remove the top nut, washer, and bushing. Continue by removing the bottom mounting bolt. You can now slide the shock off of the lower mount and remove it from the vehicle. Install the new rear shock in the reverse order of removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. Leave the disconnected electrical connector mounted to the frame rail. Thank you for following our guide on replacing a rear shock with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.